Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will go through how to delete incognito history on Google Chrome on mobile. So first thing first, I am using iPhone 13 Pro Max. So let's get started with the iOS version and then proceed towards the Android one. First thing, open the settings app and go to the iOS web browser, which is Safari. Search Safari and tap on it. Then scroll down and click on advanced. Then click on website data. You can even remove them individually, but I am removing them all. So click on remove all website data. Now it is all removed. Now for Android, go to the Google Chrome. There you will see three dot option available in the bottom right corner. Then scroll down and there is an option of clear browsing data. Here you can clear data individually as well, but again I'm clearing them all. So tap on clear browsing data and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.